My name is JJ Carroll, and I work for Swiss Re. I am responsible for our strategy development and research out of our New Solutions Group, which is an innovative area that's looking at new ways we can work with clients to address consumers and help meet their expectations in the new world. Well, I was really pleased to see during this conference that a lot of the opportunity areas that both we believe in at Swiss Re, as well as what I was hearing from other people, is really around consumer engagement. I heard a lot of really positive messages, and I think the industry is moving in the right direction with respect to consumer engagement. I think this means a lot of different things, but for sure it includes how can we use analytics to help improve personalization, really a one-on-one experience with the consumer. How do we improve the trust factor that consumers have with the insurance companies? How do we improve engagement and take the opportunity to develop a relationship with the consumers and have more of an ongoing dialogue with them as opposed to a single point-in-time activity? Innovation is critically important for insurers right now. We're at a bit of a turning point with respect to disruption and the possibilities for disruption within insurance. Consumer expectations have changed enormously over time, and we can see evidence of this in all sorts of other industries. And I think it's a huge opportunity for us right now to take that and to think about how can we innovate within insurance and improve those consumer expectations in the insurance space. Behavioral analytics is a really interesting field, and I think there's a lot of opportunity for insurers to utilize the thinking of how not just traditional economics, but also behaviors and sociological aspects of how people approach products and how they think about the buying process, how they think about their ownership, how do they think about the responses. So pretty much through every aspect of the work that insurance companies have with consumers, there's an opportunity to tailor those messages and to think about how those messages are created and crafted in such a way that we get the response that we're looking for and can benefit the consumer. Well, gosh, I'm really excited about the potential future roles for insurance companies. There's a huge opportunity for us to really think consumer first instead of product first. There's an opportunity for us to create a much richer exchange of knowledge and information with the consumer. If you think about it, really our interests are aligned with the consumers in terms of wanting to have healthier lives, and so if there are things that we can create to help consumers have a healthier life, it positively impacts both the consumer and us. That creates a real good alignment of interest. I think there's an opportunity to utilize analytics to create a one-on-one customer experience. And I think it's just a great chance for us to really personalize, think about the consumer first, and create a new product that really meets the consumer expectations.
That's right.
So customer analytics are a great way to create that one-on-one interaction with the consumer so that the consumer feels the offering that we're giving is personalized. It's not general. Currently, the products don't really connect very well with the consumer. They're not sure, is this really in my best interest? Can I trust the advice I'm receiving? Because it's not personalized. So if we can utilize all that we know about a consumer, all that's out there in the big data space and the information that's out there, how can we utilize that to kind of customize that relationship with the consumer? So wearables and sensors are one example, I believe, in how consumers are taking ownership in their own wellness. And consumers are exposed now to all sorts of new types of information where they can collect and improve their style of living, their wellness, and their health. So this is one opportunity for us to create an information exchange with the consumers to help, collect the information from the consumer that they have, and then to turn that around and provide something valuable back to them. For one thing, I was really curious because analytics is an area that I believe there are a lot of capabilities in the insurance industry. I think as an industry we're really strong here, and I know that there's a lot new going on, and this to me was a great opportunity to come hear what others had to say and what others are working on and where the innovation is happening. To me, the biggest takeaway has been the excitement, the forward movement that I see in where people are taking it. I really see a lot of attention given to consumer engagement, and that's an area that I haven't seen as much positive momentum until today, so that's been really great.